My heart was in pieces. I told myself that was what